The Daily Code Snippet. To review, this past week we learned about making content changes using the insert, delete, and S elements. Microformats, why use them and how to use them. With our example of microformats, we were introduced to the class attribute and the HREF attribute that is used for links. We discussed what values are used for microformats and learned about the different prefixes that are used: H, P, U, DT, and E. Our code example also introduced us to two elements, span and A. To understand span, we also discussed the div element. Span and div are both used to group content, but div is a block element while span is inline. Next week, we will learn about the A element, which is used for links. Presented by Designers Learn Code.